Shemai! So it's Saturday afternoon and there's a bit of a ukulele jam going on. The Uke Strad or Uke Strad jam, because I live in Ystradgynlais. So I have no idea how many people are going to be there. There could be literally just a few of us, a couple of us. The last time there was one of these was before COVID. It was close to Christmas and it was heaving. So who knows? But the main thing is we get to play some ukulele and I get to see a few friends again. And I think this is actually the first jam I've been to, apart from Cool Hand Ukes, which has been indoors. So I'm just going to film a little bit of the journey. You'll see why now. This is all real time, all right? Technically, I should walk, but it's an extremely windy afternoon, and there is rain forecast as well. So this is actually the road I live on. Nice and quiet. Past the local car wash. This is the epicenter of Ystradgynlais. It's not the biggest place in the world. In fact, the people in front of me have stopped to have a little chat. Oh, you can see how windy it is, things blown around. So that was Ystradgynlais. The place we're going to is the Cafe Chameleon. I've been there quite a few times before, and they do lovely food as well. So there we are, we're still in real time at the moment. I'm hoping I can park, but we'll have to wait and see. So down past the lovely Gorsedd or park. In fact, I filmed a little bit there in a previous video for the Enya review. There we go. I have no idea how many people are going to be here. I'm hoping we're inside, saying that now. Oh. Car parking. We shall see. May have to have a little wander, I think. In fact, I reckon I can get in here on the end. We shall see though. They're definitely ukes. I am hoping this will be fine by here. So, let's go and find out. Oh. Technical error. Remove one's microphone before taking off seat belt. So let's go and have a little look to see what Uke Strad jam is like today. Okay, car is parked. Just going to have a little look now. I'm going to warn you before I turn the corner. The colour on this building is, how shall I describe it? Unique. Hang on. See what I mean? Oh, there are a few people here. So really nice, pretty little surroundings, little garden over there. And we're under a tent. It's going to be a bit windy. I'm very glad that I'm digital and I'm not having to worry about paper music. It'll be interesting. I have no idea if we're going to have more people to turn up. But so far, we've got a few ukulele players, which is really, really cool. Okay, we're going to get sorted and get ukuleles out. About to take your life. There's a bad moon on the rise. I hear hurricanes are blowing. I know the end is coming soon. I fear rivers overflowing. I don't know this one. I'm just warning you now. Country Roads, my choice. Love this song. Top of the camera. Younger than the mountains, growing like the country roads. Take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. A nice Welsh traditional song. So we're having a 2-minute break a minute. It's dry, but it is cold at the moment. Some of the songs I know, some of them I don't. A bit and bullet jumper's gone on. Another Welsh one. Laura Lanamore, Laura Lanamore, Laura Lanamore. Oh yes, whiskey in the jar. And then Bruce my rapier, deliver for your whack for daddy-o, there's whiskey. Always getting cold, you can't beat some of the oldies though, can you? Nice whiskey in the jar. It's not, of course, it's Diet Coke. just realised I can strum with my middle finger. My first finger's gone numb now, it's so cold. You learn new things all the time. So I've just had a lovely little chat with Lynn about, sorry, I'm talking to the camera, about ukuleles, and I think she's going home tonight to look at Fana website and the Flight Vanguard. And look, I've got some flowers. Thoroughly enjoyed that, but it's freezing. It's really quite windy, but what's mad is now I've come out from underneath that tent and in the sun it's quite pleasant. So there we are, I'm back in the car. It's a lot warmer. I'm not moaning though, I can cope with a bit of wind, but I think I have lost the feeling in my fingers. Definitely worth it. Catching up with some old friends, having a little bit of a strum and a little bit of a sing-along. There weren't many there, but it doesn't matter. It's fun at the end of the day, and that's what we were just saying now. We'll have to do some more of these. So there we go. I do hope you've enjoyed. As always, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.